Are you finding it difficult to establish a successful study schedule? We've got you covered, so don't worry. In this video, we'll discuss tried-and-true methods for creating study habits that will significantly improve your academic success. We'll cover everything, from time management to active learning strategies. Keep up with our educational content by subscribing to our channel and activating the notification bell if you found this video to be useful. Let's start now. Developing effective study habits is essential for achieving academic success. Organize your study time. Create a regular study routine that accommodates your preferences and learning preferences. Determine when you are most productive and schedule specific study times during those times. Set specific, measurable, achievable goals. Prioritize each study session with a clear set of objectives. To maintain motivation and monitor your progress, divide larger jobs into more manageable, smaller pieces. Create a dedicated study area. Establish a distraction-free study area. Make sure it is tidy, well-lit, and welcoming. By turning off your phone's notifications or utilizing internet blockers, you can reduce disruptions. Collect study materials. Gather all the tools you'll need for studying, such as your books, notebooks, highlighters, and any digital resources you might require. Everything being close at hand will save time and aid in maintaining concentration. Utilize active learning techniques. Apply active learning strategies to increase comprehension and retention. These consist of putting material into your own words, explaining ideas to others, using flashcards to review, and resolving practice issues. Plan brief breaks frequently to prevent mental tiredness throughout your study sessions. Moving out of your study space and practicing relaxation techniques or physical activity will refresh your mind and increase focus. Use a variety of study techniques. Try out a variety of study techniques to determine which ones are most effective for you. Reading aloud, making mind maps, viewing educational movies, joining study groups, or using internet learning tools are some examples of this. Practice time management. Establish priorities for your chores and abstain from procrastination to better manage your time. To maintain continuous development, divide major projects into smaller jobs and establish deadlines. Seek assistance and explanation. When you run into problems or have concerns, don't be afraid to ask your teachers, professors, or fellow students for an explanation. Make use of accessible internet resources, academic assistance programs, and tutoring possibilities. Review and test your understanding. Frequently review and assess your comprehension of the subject. Use practice examinations, quizzes, or other methods for self-evaluation to spot your knowledge gaps and strengthen them. Take care of yourself. Lead a healthy lifestyle by obtaining adequate sleep, consuming wholesome food, and exercising regularly. A healthy body and mind are better able to assimilate and remember information. Find techniques to maintain your motivation as you progress through your studies. Establish incentives for reaching study milestones. Think about your long-term objectives, and surround yourself with a conducive learning atmosphere. Adapt and modify. Constantly assess your study methods to determine what is most effective for you. As you advance in your academic career, be willing to try out new approaches and techniques. Remember, developing effective study habits is a personal process, and what works for one person may not work for another. Experiment with different methods, be patient with yourself and stay committed to continuous improvement. With consistent effort and dedication, you'll be on your way to academic success. We appreciate your participation as we identify productive study habits for academic success. We really hope that you find our advice and methods helpful in enhancing your study habits. Keep in mind that creating effective study habits requires time and dedication, but the rewards are worthwhile. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it with other students who are striving for academic achievement. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Go out there now and confidently succeed in your coursework. Happy learning until the next time.